Welcome to Module 7. This week we're going to talk about tools to assess students. Assessing students is key to know, not just to give them grades, but the idea of did they get the content and should we move on and things like that. So sometimes we are talking about summative assessment that really is that test. So how can maybe we do that digitally to make life easier on you as the teacher? You sit there and you don't like bringing home a ton of stuff to grade and things like that. So we can use digital tools, but then also how can we quickly formally assess students? How can we grab a quick snapshot of what it is, but then also keep it engaging as well? Because students are like, oh, another quiz, another test. But we want to make it fun. So I would probably say the most fun my students have in my buildings is when they do Kahoots. That's a big one that you will see. It's one of the tools listed in this module for assessment. It's putting a game show aspect to that assessment, but also using things like Pear Deck is a big one. Quizzes is another big one. One that I really like is Edpuzzle because I do like using videos in my teaching. So the idea that with Edpuzzle you can take any video and embed questions, comments, voiceovers in those videos, so that way the students have to watch it. They have to answer questions throughout the video. So it pauses the video when you want to have the question. So the students, if they watched it and if they got it. It's kind of a way to kind of maybe do a pre-assessment by assigning the students a video to watch, ask some questions on the video, you see if they got the video or not, and then do you need to review it? Can you take those skills and now start running with it? Or have to do more review and things like that. So assessment is key. There's a lot of assessment tools in here. A couple of the other modules did touch upon some assessments too. Plickers was mentioned in a previous one. That's one I've seen used a lot in classes. So a lot of assessment tools. Find the ones that like for you. And I always encourage mix it up. Don't always do Kahoots. Don't always do quizzes. Don't always do, Google quizzes that you can do with forms. Things like that. To keep the kids interested, we keep changing them up, moving them around. So take a look, see what works good for you.